After the age of 60, many people notice something frightening. You eat the same food, you move the same way, but your body feels weaker every year, legs feel thinner, arms lose strength, standing up from a chair becomes harder. Doctors call this sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. But what if I told you this muscle loss is not inevitable? What if one simple food strategy could help slow it down, rebuild strength, and bring energy back faster than most people expect? Imagine muscles as savings in a bank. When you are young, deposits happen easily. As you age, withdrawals happen faster than deposits. Sarcopenia begins when the body stops responding properly to protein and movement. The muscles stop listening. But science shows that certain foods can wake those muscles up again, even after 60, 70, or 80 years old. Here's the truth many seniors are never told. Muscle loss is not just about aging, it's about signals. Your muscles need specific signals to grow and stay strong. Those signals come from three places: nutrition, movement, and inflammation control. Miss even one and muscle breakdown speeds up. Get all three right and muscle rebuilding becomes possible again. Let's start with nutrition because this is where most seniors unknowingly fall short. As we age, our bodies become resistant to protein. This means eating a little protein is no longer enough. Muscles require a stronger trigger to begin rebuilding. One of the most powerful triggers is an amino acid called leucine. Leucine acts like an on switch for muscle protein synthesis. Without enough leucine, protein just passes through without doing its job. This is why many seniors eat protein daily but still lose muscle. The quality and type of protein matters more than ever after 60. One of the easiest ways to increase leucine intake is through a leucine-rich protein supplement. Research shows that leucine directly activates the mTOR pathway, the main pathway responsible for muscle growth. Even small doses can significantly improve muscle response in older adults. This doesn't mean huge shakes or complicated routines. It means targeted nutrition that speaks the muscle's language. But supplements alone are not the full answer. Whole foods matter deeply, and one of the most powerful foods for seniors fighting sarcopenia is plain Greek yogurt, low in sugar. Greek yogurt is rich in high-quality protein, naturally high in leucine, and easy to digest. Unlike many protein sources, it does not stress the stomach. It also provides calcium and probiotics, which support bone strength and gut health, both critical for staying active. Studies show that older adults who consume protein evenly throughout the day maintain more muscle mass than those who eat most of it at dinner. A serving of Greek yogurt in the morning or afternoon helps keep muscles stimulated throughout the day instead of waiting until night. Now let's talk about something most people completely ignore: inflammation. Chronic inflammation quietly destroys muscle tissue. It blocks protein absorption, weakens muscle fibers, and increases fatigue. This is why two people of the same age can look completely different physically. Inflammation is the silent divider. This is where high-quality omega-3 fish oil becomes a powerful ally. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce muscle inflammation and improve the muscle's sensitivity to protein. In simple words, omega-3 helps muscles hear the signal to grow again. Research shows that seniors who supplement with omega-3 experience improved muscle strength and better response to resistance exercise. Omega-3 doesn't build muscle directly, but it creates the environment muscles need to rebuild. Without it, progress becomes slow and frustrating. Now let's move to something green, simple, and surprisingly powerful: organic spinach powder. Spinach is rich in magnesium, nitrates, and antioxidants. Magnesium supports muscle contraction and recovery. Nitrates improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to muscle tissue. For seniors, better blood flow means better strength, endurance, and balance. Organic spinach powder is especially helpful because it's easy to add to smoothies. Many seniors struggle to eat enough vegetables, but a small scoop in a smoothie solves that problem effortlessly. Better nutrition does not need to be complicated. It needs to be consistent. But here's something important to understand. Food alone will not stop sarcopenia. Muscles require resistance. Without resistance, even perfect nutrition cannot prevent muscle loss. The good news is resistance does not mean heavy weights or gym memberships. Home resistance bands for seniors are one of the safest and most effective tools to rebuild muscle after 60. Resistance bands create tension, and tension tells muscles they are needed. That signal alone can slow muscle loss dramatically. Research shows that resistance band training improves muscle mass, balance, and mobility in older adults, even those in their 80s. Just a few sessions per week can restore confidence, reduce fall risk, and improve daily function. When you combine leucine-rich protein, Greek yogurt, omega-3 fish oil, spinach powder, and gentle resistance band training, something powerful happens. Muscles begin responding again. Strength improves. Fatigue decreases. Daily tasks feel easier. This is not about reversing age. It's about restoring function. And this is where many seniors notice something unexpected. Better muscle health improves blood sugar control, joint stability, posture, and even mood. Muscle is not just for movement. It's a metabolic organ that protects the entire body. But timing and consistency matter. When you eat, how often you move, and how you support recovery all determine results. In the next part, we'll talk about exactly how seniors over 60 can combine these foods and tools into a simple daily routine that works with the aging body instead of against it. And why small changes done consistently outperform extreme plans every time. Instead of against it, and why small changes done consistently outperform extreme plans every time. For seniors over 60, the body no longer responds well to sudden, aggressive changes. What it responds to is rhythm. A steady pattern that the nervous system, muscles, and hormones can adapt to safely. This is why the most successful muscle-building plans for older adults look simple, almost boring on the surface, but powerful underneath. Let's start with mornings, because what you do in the first few hours after waking sets the muscle tone for the entire day. After a night of sleep, the body is in a mildly catabolic state, meaning muscle breakdown is slightly higher. Seniors are especially vulnerable to this. Providing protein early helps stop that breakdown and signals the body to preserve muscle tissue. A bowl of plain Greek yogurt in the morning, even a small one, delivers fast-absorbing protein and leucine right when muscles need it most. If digestion feels slow in the morning, blending Greek yogurt into a smoothie with organic spinach powder is an excellent option. This combination delivers protein, magnesium, antioxidants, and blood flow-boosting nutrients without stressing the stomach. Many seniors notice improved energy within days just from this one change. Now let's talk about omega-3 fish oil timing. Taking high-quality omega-3 with a meal improves absorption and reduces inflammation throughout the day. Over time, this improves muscle sensitivity to protein. Think of omega-3 as oiling rusty hinges. Movement becomes smoother, joints feel less stiff, and muscles recover faster after activity. This is especially important for seniors dealing with joint pain, arthritis, or long recovery times. Midday is the best time to introduce gentle movement. This is where resistance bands come in. Muscles don't need exhaustion to grow, they need stimulation. Even 10 to 15 minutes of resistance band exercises can activate muscle fibers and slow sarcopenia significantly. Simple movements like seated leg presses, chest pulls, and gentle rows send powerful signals to muscles that they are still needed. Studies show that muscle protein synthesis remains elevated for hours after resistance exercise, even in older adults. This means the body becomes more responsive to protein eaten later in the day. Movement prepares the muscle. Nutrition builds it. This is why pairing resistance bands with protein later in the day is so effective. In the afternoon or early evening, adding a leucine-rich protein supplement can help reinforce muscle rebuilding. This is especially helpful for seniors who struggle to eat large meals. A small dose provides the specific amino acids muscles require without overwhelming digestion. Now here's something few people talk about. Sarcopenia doesn't just weaken muscles. It affects balance, confidence, and independence. When muscles weaken, the brain becomes more cautious. Movement feels risky. Fear of falling increases. This leads to less activity, which accelerates muscle loss even further. This downward spiral is common, but it is not permanent. Resistance training, even light resistance, improves communication between the brain and muscles. Seniors often report feeling more stable and confident within weeks, not months. This mental shift is just as important as physical strength. Let's address a common concern: safety. Many seniors worry that protein supplements or resistance training are dangerous at their age. But research consistently shows that properly dosed protein and low-impact resistance training are safe and beneficial for older adults, including those with chronic conditions, when done gently and consistently. The key is progression, not intensity. Start small. One resistance band, a few repetitions. Short sessions. Muscles adapt quickly when the signal is consistent. Over time, strength returns naturally, without strain or injury. Another overlooked factor in muscle preservation is hydration and minerals. Dehydration increases muscle fatigue and cramping. Magnesium, found naturally in spinach powder, supports nerve signaling and muscle relaxation. This is why many seniors notice fewer nighttime cramps and better sleep when magnesium intake improves. Sleep itself plays a huge role in muscle repair. During deep sleep, growth hormone supports tissue repair. Poor sleep accelerates muscle loss. Better nutrition, gentle exercise, and reduced inflammation often improve sleep quality naturally, creating a powerful recovery cycle. Now let's talk about expectations. Muscle rebuilding after 60 does not happen overnight, but it happens faster than most people believe. Research shows measurable improvements in muscle strength within 8 to 12 weeks when nutrition and resistance training are combined properly. Many seniors feel stronger much sooner, especially in daily tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or standing up from chairs. The goal is not bodybuilding. The goal is vitality. Strong muscles protect joints, improve posture, stabilize blood sugar, and increase longevity. Muscle is one of the strongest predictors of independence in older age. And here's something encouraging. Even seniors who have already lost significant muscle mass can rebuild a meaningful portion of it. The body never completely loses its ability to adapt. It just needs clearer signals. Food provides the signal. Movement amplifies it. Consistency locks it in. In the final part, I'll bring everything together and talk about how seniors can turn these simple tools into a long-term habit that protects strength, mobility, and independence for years to come. And why starting today matters more than starting perfectly. Years to come, and why starting today matters more than starting perfectly. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make when trying to stop sarcopenia is waiting for the right time. They wait until pain improves, until energy comes back, until motivation appears. But muscle strength doesn't return after motivation. Motivation comes after strength begins to return. The body rewards action first. Even very small actions create biological changes. A few minutes of resistance band work signals muscle fibers to stay active. A serving of protein tells the body that muscle is worth preserving. Omega-3 reduces the inflammation that blocks recovery. These signals stack together day after day until weakness slowly turns into strength. Consistency beats intensity every single time, especially after 60. This is why the most successful seniors don't chase complicated plans. They anchor their day around a few reliable habits. Protein at least twice a day. Gentle resistance most days of the week. Nutrients that support recovery and reduce inflammation. These habits become automatic, not exhausting. Another important truth is that muscle loss and frailty are not just physical problems. They are emotional ones too. Loss of strength often leads to fear, frustration, and withdrawal. Seniors stop doing the activities they love because their body feels unreliable. Rebuilding muscle restores trust in the body. That trust changes everything. Walking feels safer. Standing feels stronger. Movement feels possible again. This is why strength training and proper nutrition reduce depression and improve confidence in older adults. The brain responds to physical capability. Let's talk briefly about social influence. When seniors feel stronger, they engage more. They leave the house more often. They move more naturally throughout the day. This extra movement compounds the benefits of formal exercise. Muscle health improves not just from workouts, but from living life fully again. Now let's return to the core message. Sarcopenia is not a life sentence. It is a condition that responds to clear, repeated signals. Those signals come from leucine-rich protein to trigger muscle growth, Greek yogurt to provide digestible daily protein, omega-3 fish oil to reduce inflammation and improve muscle sensitivity, spinach powder to support circulation and mineral balance, and resistance bands to tell muscles they are still needed. Each tool alone helps a little. Together, they create a powerful system. And this system works because it respects the aging body. It doesn't push it to extremes, it supports it. It works with biology, not against it. If you are over 60 and feeling weaker, tired, or unstable, understand this. Your muscles are not broken. They are simply understimulated and undersupported. Give them the right signals, and they respond. Start with one change, then another. Let momentum build naturally. Strength is not reserved for the young. It is maintained by the consistent. The earlier you begin, the more muscle you preserve. But even if you start late, the benefits are still meaningful. Independence, mobility, confidence, and vitality all improve when muscle health improves. This is why seniors who prioritize muscle health live better, not just longer. As we come to the end, let's bring everything together in one clear, empowering message. Sarcopenia is not an unavoidable part of aging. It is a signal problem, not a failure of your body. After 60, your muscles simply need clearer instructions and better support than they did when you were younger. And the good news is science shows they still listen. By giving your body leucine-rich protein, you flip the switch that tells muscles to rebuild. By eating plain Greek yogurt regularly, you provide high-quality, easy-to-digest protein that keeps muscle growth active throughout the day. By adding high-quality omega-3 fish oil, you reduce the silent inflammation that blocks strength and slows recovery. By using organic spinach powder, you support circulation, minerals, and energy at the cellular level. And by using simple home resistance bands, you remind your muscles that they are still needed, still useful, still alive. None of this requires extreme workouts. None of it requires complicated diets. It requires consistency, patience, and belief in your body's ability to respond. Strength after 60 is not about lifting heavier. It's about moving smarter. It's about feeding your muscles what they actually need. And it's about protecting your independence, your confidence, and your quality of life. Every small action you take today is an investment in tomorrow's strength. Stand up easier. Walk with confidence, live without fear of falling. These are not unrealistic goals. They are achievable outcomes when muscle health becomes a priority. So start where you are. Use what you have. Stay consistent. Your muscles are ready to respond.